Welcome back to another one of Sky School's top tip videos. In this video we will be discussing the Paramotor, when to buy, what you should buy and how to tailor it to yourself. At Sky School we recommend that you buy your Paramotor fairly soon after finishing your pilot course, as this allows you to get flying straight away and doesn't let your skills fade too much, so in the long run saves you money on retraining, and secondly saves you time and is safer as you're freshly current and ready to fly. At Sky School we recommend Parajet Paramotors, as they provide a good compromise between safety, comfort and performance. With the Parajet Paramotors there are a few options. Firstly, we have here the Parajet Maverick with an Atom 80 engine. This is great for the lighter pilots, generally up to about 75-80 kilograms, and is a nice, smooth, comfortable and well-performing paramotor. We also sell this same frame with a Monster 185 engine. This is great for people 75 kilos and above and allows more power with the same reliability, same smoothness and the same comfortable frame. Parajet also sell a larger version of the Maverick called the Mav Max. This is great for pilots who are either heavier or pilots who are more experienced and flying faster wings and need the extra power and efficiency to have their desired performance. When you buy your Paramotor with us, we will fit your reserve for free, which is a very important part of your equipment. It's your last chance if anything goes wrong. And we will also install a free tachometer for you to make sure that you can brake in your engine properly, and also to keep track of the RPM in flight and make sure you can do the required maintenance at the right times. It's also important whenever you buy a new engine that you do firstly a hang test to make sure it's in the correct sitting position for you, so that you can have a safe and comfortable flight, and also that the harness is adjusted properly so that you can run easily and take off without any issues. At Sky School we can do this for you on a free day of training to help you set up, break down, run in your engine, do any tuning which is necessary, fit it to your body, do a hang test, and if the weather is good, your first flights that evening.